This is a tissue section of the skull or a flat bone. So here you can see that this tissue section also represents or shows you the intramembranous type of ossification as well as the type of bone which is cancellous or spongy. So in this section, it's um, easy to visualize the osteocytes inside their lacuna embedded within the bone matrix of your trabecula, as well as your chondroblasts seen at the edge. We can zoom in to better appreciate again your osteocytes embedded in the lacuna, your bone matrix, and your osteoblasts.